Hi guys, welcome back to Mini Bike Store video blog. In this video I'm gonna be unboxing the NRG R1-M electric dirt bike from Nitro Motors. This is a 350 watt 36 volt electric dirt bike on 10-inch wheels. It is designed as NRG 50. You can purchase this bike from our website, the link is in the description. We ship our bikes to 32 European countries. We'll unbox the bike now. So as you can see, inside the box we have the really strong frame which secure the bike in the transport. Here is the bike itself. So first we need to unscrew this board which connects the frame and remove the frame. Now when you have removed all the boards, you have to cut these ties. Next, cut this plastic tie heel which holds the wheel to the frame. Remove the front wheel and remove the frame. So you need to start assembly from the front. First install the front handlebars. Cut the plastic ties which hold the handlebars to the bike. There's one here and one here. And grab the handlebars. Remove the keys, they are attached to the handlebar. Next, remove these two bolts. Place the handlebars on the top. Make sure the cables are not twisted. If they are twisted, then untwist them. And insert the bolt from the bottom. Tie them both well. Now you can check if the brake levers are tied properly. If not, tie them. They are okay here. Next, remove these three bolts here on the bottom. And install the front mudguard. So the back bolts, first you need to place the bolt through the hole, then the spacer on the top, and then install it. The same on the other side. First the bolt, then the spacer, Then insert the front screw. And tie them all. Next, remove this screw here. Then loosen the top one. Move this into that position, like this. And then tie the screw. Make sure it's in up and down position. And install this plastic. So you need to fit these two holes into the pins first. And then install the top screw. Next you will need to insert the front brake cable through this hole here. So you need to make these two screws here in one line, like this. Then you can pull the cable out. Insert it through this hole and then put it back into the brake lever like this and twist one of the screws. Next, cut the plastic ties which holds the bike to the bottom frame, just here, and on the other side. And remove the axle here. Now remove the bottom frame and place the bike on the stand. Place the bike on the stand like this, and next you will need to install the front wheel. Here is the front wheel. Here we find attached two spacers. So to install the front wheel, you need to place the disc brake inside the caliper. As you can see, it's not fitting here, so we need to loosen this. We need to loosen the line. It fits now. So you have two different sizes spacers. This one is longer, so we use the longer from the side of the brake disc. So we need to insert the axle, then the spacer, through the wheel, the spacer from the other side, and then through the second axle, through the second fork, sorry, and secure it with the nut and tie the axle well. Now we need to adjust the brake. You can adjust the brake by turning these two screws here. And don't forget to tighten this screw. The brake is working properly. Next we need to move to the back here. Here we have attached the box. The box with the charger. Here we have the charger for the bike. Next, cut this tight here, and this one, remove the stand. Here is the stand for the bike. You can also cut and open the foot pegs. The same on the other side. Here are user manuals for the bike, so we highly recommend you read it before you use the bike for the first time. Next, before you use the bike, you need to do a quick check. So we have already checked the front brake, we have adjusted the front brake. The front wheel is properly inflated. The rear one also is inflated, but the rear brake needs to be adjusted. So we need to adjust the rear brake now. To adjust this brake here, I will need to make more space between the brake pads. To do so, you need to loosen this nut here and then turn the screw inside. Check the brake. And tight the nut. So the rear wheel needs to move freely, like here. So we have now fully assembled the bike. We can now remove the seat cover, we can remove the sticker cover. Now we can test the bike. Here are the keys. The ignition is on this side here. So turn the ignition to on. Press the power button on the computer for a few seconds. Here we have the computer. It shows us the battery life, the speed we are traveling with, the distance we have made, and we can set the speeds. So let's start the slowest one, number 1. Now number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. So the bike is now fully assembled. Before you ride the bike, you should connect the plug-in in the charger and charge it fully, and then have a fun. If you like the bike, you can get it from our website. The link is in the description. Please subscribe to our channel. We will be unboxing much more stuff soon. Thanks for watching. See you guys.